Are you a real estate investor investing and you're getting tapped out of credit, getting tapped out of funds, and you want to know how you can keep scaling your real estate business without having to be on the mortgage, being on the title? Well, in this video, I'm going to be describing and showing you one agreement, one document that has really scaled our business over the last 15 years from where we had 3 to 5 properties in our name and now where we've purchased over 140 deals entirely with joint venture partners using this one thing. So stay till the end of the video and I'm going to be describing what this agreement is and how to use it in your business. Welcome back, guys. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about this one agreement that has really transformed our business, where we do not get tapped out anymore. We don't have banks denying us for scaling our businesses with our JV partners, the properties that we buy every year. And this one agreement is a Bare Trust agreement. So what a Bare Trust agreement in simplicity is, this is an agreement that is done between yourself and the joint venture partner. So the money partner and the JV partner. So this is something where you both sign this agreement, and really what it's saying is that you're both holding this property mutually in trust for one another. Now, the great thing about this agreement is when you're talking to a JV partner, somebody that you're doing a classic 50-50 JV deal with, a partnership with, right? They put up the funds, they put up the 20% down, they put up the closing costs, rentals, whatever it is, whether you're doing a buy and hold turnkey or you're doing a BRRRR, they're gonna put up the money. Now, why this works so well is because, one, the JV partner is securing their interest in the deal, right? They've put up the money, they're going on the mortgage, they're going on the title. Now you're gonna ask me, well, how do I secure myself? You can use a joint venture agreement, which I discretion you still want to do that. You still want to have a joint venture agreement in place. But in addition to that, you want to file a Bare Trust agreement. And once you both sign this document, you want to register this on title. So what this does is this actually secures your interest, your share in that property, whether it's 40% equity, whether it's 50%, 60% even, which we've done deals with. It just ensures that this JV partner can't go out and sell this deal. And the great thing about this contract is, because it's registered on title, it's not going to show up at the bank as a second mortgage, right? So this actually allows you, the working partner, to go out there and buy multiple properties every single year, whether they're with the same JV partner or whether they're with multiple JV partners, because this is not showing up on your personal credit. Now, the second thing it allows you to do is it allows you to buy deals in your personal name. So if you have the credit worthiness, or say your income goes higher, you got a new job, maybe you're a full-time house flipper or somebody that's increasing their income, and your T1 General or your NOA, the income that you make there, it's actually increasing. Well, this is great for you now because you've positioned yourself that deals that come by that you're able to float yourself and get a mortgage 100% of your name. Well, now you can still do that without having these Bare Trust agreements affect your credit rating. So even though at the end of the day, you're going to be claiming what you make on these Bare Trust JV transactions where you're 50-50 owners, it's going to increase your cash flow. But at the other end, it's not going to affect your credit because you can do multiple deals. And we've done this strategy so much in the last probably 10 to 12 years. When we discovered this, it has amplified our returns. Now, majority of our deals today, we do own them with JV partners. That's just how we set it up. But there's a few properties, not many now. There's a few properties that we still own in our names. Now, if you're in business and you are looking for a proven model, depending on what state or province you're in, talk to your lawyer, because it's going to be a little bit different from state to state or province to province, depending if you're in Canada or the US. But again, find this tool and bring this to your lawyer and then start applying it in your business. Now, especially if you are in that position where you can't get any more, and just another way to keep scaling your business. And again, guys, if you want to hear more details of how this actually works, what a Bare Trust agreement looks like, hit me in the comments below, and I'll be happy to make another video just breaking down the entire contract for you. Again, guys, If you got value from this video, feel free to subscribe or share this channel with anybody else that might find value. Thanks.